On September 2016, we witnessed the launching of the PNP iService mobile app in response to the declaration of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte to deliver a quality and prompt service to the public using information technology. Today, the PNP, through the Information Technology Management Service or ITMS, Civil Security Group or CSG, and Firearms and Explosives Office or FEO, with the help of the National Security Council, NSC, will roll out another innovation that supports the frontline services of the Philippine National Police, the online PNP LTOPF and Firearms Registration System. This system aims to eliminate long hours of waiting and simplify application processes of LTOPF and Firearms registration to help our clientele get their clearances fast and in the most convenient way. Applicants may now apply for LTOPF and Firearms registration using the internet in any place, anytime at their convenience. Through the online PNP LTOPF and Firearms registration system, we will be able to reduce the waiting in lines to keep our clients happy. In this new setup, the applicants will get their drug and neuropsychiatric tests in Kamkrame or in other regional offices, and the results will be automatically forwarded to the FEO headquarters. This process will ensure the authenticity and validity of the said documents. Other requirements such as NBI and other clearances will be submitted online by simply accessing the internet anytime, anywhere at their most convenient time. The online system is accessible to all web browsers. Applicants may sign up and register to onlineltopf.pnp.gov.ph. Registration is made easy by simply typing your account, email, and password. The graphical user interface or GUI is user-friendly. Data are auto-filled up as long as you have an existing NBI clearance, passport, postal ID, or SSS account, and you are ready to upload. Applicants may scan or take pictures of the requirements and submit these documents using the system. They will just wait for the online approval of the Chief FEO, and they will be notified through text message or email. Upon approval, he or she may now pay the required fees to the nearest land bank or online through Land Bank's e-payment portal. In the future, the PNP through the Civil Security Group will partner with other payment centers to make payment more convenient for our clientele. Upon payment, the applicant will upload the proof of payment and select his or her schedule for the pickup. The applicant will just wait for more or less than 10 minutes for the release of his or her LTOPF or Firearms registration, and most importantly, LTOPF and Firearms registration can now be claimed not only in Kamkrame, Marikina, Cebu, and Davao, but in all police regional offices nationwide. In Mindanao, LTOPF and Firearms registration can now be claimed in police regional offices 9, 10, 11, 12, Caraga, and ARMM. In Visayas, Police Regional Offices 6, 7, 8, and 18, and in Luzon, Police Regional Offices 1, 2, 3, 4A, 4B, 5, Cordillera, and the National Capital Region. The online PNP LTOPF and Firearms registration system was conceptualized by Police Chief Superintendent Edwin Jose Gini Menso, Director ITMS. This project was made possible with the unwavering support of the PNP leadership, the help of the CSG, FEO, and ITMS Command Group, as well as the hard work, dedication, and commitment to excellence of the NSC and ITMS development team. Commitment to excellence of PNP personnel, as well as their untiring efforts, and more importantly, the full support of PNP leadership and the effective management and utilization of its resources made the online PNP LTOPF and Firearms registration system possible.